Are you ready for it?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be filming a get ready with me. Yay! I'm not really getting ready for anything, just my day. So thought that I would bring you guys along with me. And I also posted on my Instagram saying that I was doing a get ready with me. So if you had any questions that you wanted me to answer on this video, this is where they're going to be answered today. I'm already having a hard time speaking for some reason. Maybe I should start with Aquaphor. That's a good idea. I'm a little thirsty, I think. Already off to a rough start. But Jakey's here, huh? Jake's here with me over here. Let's hope he behaves himself, because if he doesn't, he's gonna get kicked out. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Also, I am handicapped today. I pinched my finger on my camera. This dog is gonna kill me in this video. He's gonna kill me. All right, let's start. First, I'm going to use these amazing clips that I got from my dearest friend, Landon, who also just started a YouTube channel that you should go check out. I will link it down below. But gonna clip my bangs back. Yeah, this is gonna be a rough one. So now that my bangs are clipped back, I am going to start with my Smashbox primer water. This stuff honestly makes my skin look flawless. I highly recommend. So I just kind of spray that everywhere and on my neck too for when I blend. And don't worry, I'm gonna start answering questions here. I just wanna get started. First, or, oh God, man. Not first, I already did the first thing. Second, I'm going to be using my Becca First Light Priming Filter Primer Illuminator. Makes my skin look pretty. I use about this much. I'm just going to rub that in all over my face. Oh, feels so good. Now, I'm gonna start with my foundation. I'm going to go in with this Sephora brush and my YSL Radiance Awakening Foundation, and I am color BD30 Warm Almond. So I just squirt like 2 pumps of this onto my brush. This is not a get ready with me, Jaylee. You are currently doing a makeup tutorial. All right, first question. This is from Lexis Doyle, I think. Her question is, where do you get all your jewelry from? I love the gold dainty details. Devin actually got me these little gold bracelets for Christmas from Bella Dar, and then this one's just from Nordstrom. This is what I got from my dad for graduation from Tiffany. This is from my great grandmother, and this necklace, I've never gotten so many questions on something in my life. This necklace is from Nordstrom. Both of the necklace and this circle bracelet are by Nadri. I think that's how you say it. They're really cheap and they're good quality, so highly recommend. Or I also get it from Amory Jewelry. They are amazing. I love them and just have a lot of different options to get jewelry from. So Belladar, Amory, Nordstrom. Okay, next question. This is from Hannah R. Walls. Were you on the ASU dance team? If yes, what years? Yes, I was on the ASU dance team. Best frickin' years of my life. I was on it from, let me think here, 2013 to 2016. So I graduated early, so I was only on it for 3 years, but definitely the best 3 years of my life. All right, next question is from Rach Brown 04. Advice for girlfriends when their boyfriends are in football season. My BF is a QB named Michael Till. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. I think that you just have to allow him to kind of take that time to focus on football and then find something to keep yourself occupied. Like whenever Michael is in football season, I'm usually doing something myself that keeps me busy. So like in college, I was on the dance team, and so that always kept me busy during football season too. But I would just say, don't take it personally when they're devoting majority of their time to football and not to you. It's just a temporary thing, and you have to let them kind of be selfish in that time, just as you would hope that they would let you be selfish in the times that you are occupied with work. But that doesn't mean, guys, that you can just like totally forget about your girlfriend. Doing little things here and there to make her feel special will ultimately help the process and help her still feel like she's important during that time. Now I'm going to take the baking powder and bake the underneath of my eyes. That's a little much. That's usually how much I do. All right, gonna let that sit for a minute. Again, with the KKW Beauty contour kit and an angled brush, and I'm just going to apply my bronzer and figure out the next question. How many kids do you guys want? We both want 3 to 4 kids. So I know it's kind of a lot, but we want a big family. Right, Jiggy? Wants a baby sister and brothers? Next question is from Nay Shalek _. Did you talk about marriage, or was this just something that happened, and did you pick your ring? We did talk about marriage. We have talked about marriage for quite some time. I think that we talked about marriage literally like within months of dating each other, because we just kind of knew. We got along so well from the start that, and we're just both obsessed with each other. Like, please excuse my dog trying to find his toy. This was not something that was out of the blue. I just had no idea when it was happening. I truly didn't think it was happening when it did. So that was definitely a surprise to me. I'm going to wipe off this baking powder underneath my eyes. I kind of like to go in circles with it just so that I can get it onto the top of my eyelid too. And then I bring it down into my smile lines because I get creases there. Next question is from Nancy Marie. Advice on handling heartbreak. Girl, get some ice cream, go to church, pray, and go out with your girlfriends. Enjoy this time for yourself, because the second you find the right person, you're gonna spend the rest of your life with them. So I think that right now you should just take this time for yourself. Make sure that you love yourself before you're even capable of loving anybody else, and go from there. And go find yourself some freaking hot man to go on a date with. Make the other man jealous. Sorry. His loss, honestly. Now I'm going to go in with my Sephora eyebrow pencil. This is like $12 and it is great. Okay, next question though is from Surat. Where are you getting married? I think we have officially decided to go with Hummingbird Nest Ranch. That was the first venue I looked at, and to be honest, it's gonna be the only venue I look at because nothing else compares even remotely to it. And it's just, it goes till late at night. Everywhere else closes at 10 o'clock, and I am going to be partying all night long. I am sorry. It is my wedding, and I want to be there as long as I possibly can be. So we're gonna go with a Hummingbird, and I love it. I can't wait. I just had to kick my dog out. He is not cooperating with mommy's YouTube channel. This is from Sarah JJ Bug. Favorite ASU mem? Very, very tough question. I would have to say, hold on, I think I need to finish my eyebrow before I can do this because this takes a lot of concentration. My senior year and Michael's senior year, except he was 2 years ahead of me. He was in like his master's at that time. We played U of A, and it was a home game, and we just absolutely destroyed them. and it was the senior game for dance team. And I don't think we could have left on like a better note. And Michael won, and it was just like victory for everybody. What's the next thing for my face I need to do? My eyes.
Nope.
I'm going back in with my contour kit, and I use this bronzer. Next question. Sorry, I lost track. This is from Jacqueline Jacobs 1. Where did Mike tell you you were going the day of the proposal? He told me that so the stadium had just been renovated, and it was like the grand opening of the stadium, and it was the first game. And so he told me that he was speaking at an event at the grand opening of the new stadium. And the event was going to be in the stadium. And we were like welcoming people, and I had to dress really nice and blah, blah, blah. And he set up like a whole fake email from people, and he went to like the greatest extent. And he even contacted my hairdresser in Arizona and told her, you know, like, I'm proposing to Jaylee. She always told me that she wanted me to make sure like her hair was done and everything was perfect, which I did. I was pretty psycho. I was like, my nails need to be done, my hair needs to be done, there needs to be photographers. Like, I have dreamt of this moment my entire life, so it needed to be perfect. But before I continue, I'm going in with the KKW dark highlighter kit because I like to use these on my eyes. I just kind of tap everywhere. So he contacted my hairdresser and was like, hey, can you like schedule a photo shoot with Jaylee, because we do that all the time. So she texted me like a month before saying like, hey, when are you gonna be in Arizona next? I want to set up a photo shoot. And of course we had already had that trip planned, and so she like set it up perfectly for me to be there right before the engagement. And I almost said I couldn't do it because I had this event, and then I was like, oh no, my hair will be ready for the event, so it's fine. So thank goodness I said yes to doing it. And then I drove straight from my hair appointment to the stadium, and Michael was there at the stadium with like this girl who works at ASU, and they like escorted us down to the field, and they're like, yeah, like you guys are gonna be here first, probably greeting people and everything, like it'll all be out on the field. And then I literally had no idea until we were walking through the tunnel, and then when we're in the tunnel I heard our song start playing, and I was like, oh, you're kidding me. I literally lost it. Okay, now I'm going in with the Stella. This is in Kitten. It's their liquid eyeshadow. I love this stuff. It's almost out, but I just put it on my eye right here and blend with my finger. Moving on to the next question, I'm also going in with my Morphe palette, and I'm just using a small angled brush. And I'm going to do a little bit of dark eyeshadow eyeliner. This is from Mads Shuren. What are you most excited about with your wedding / marriage? I have dreamt of getting married my entire life. Like, I've just dreamt of this day forever. So I am just excited about everything. Literally everything. I'm mostly excited to just spend the rest of my life with Michael. Like, he is the funniest, cutest, smartest, most handsome human I've ever met in my life, and like, I am gonna get to call him my husband. Now that is pretty cool. We're not gonna do a first look, so like the first time we see each other will be when I walk down the aisle, and I just think about that moment of like turning the corner and us just seeing each other for the first time. I'm just gonna like lose it. Literally lose it. Comment if you didn't do a first look, because it gives me anxiety, but I don't want to do one because I think it'll be better. Lots of baby questions. You guys, I just got engaged. Slow down. Next, I'm going to go in with the KKW brightening powder just underneath of my eyes. Now, mascara. I am using Vivienne Sabo Cabaret Premier. This question is from Nikki. How do you like your microbladed eyebrows? Where did you get them done? I personally love them. They fade kind of quickly, but I think it's totally worth it because I have 0 eyebrows. I got them done by a girl in Arizona. Her name is Cami. Her Instagram is Brows by Cam, and you guys should check her out. She's pretty amazing. This is from Brie Molina. Did Mike design your ring on his own? Yes, he did. And I'm literally so obsessed with it. Like, it is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life. Plus, I just got it back, by the way. I would send him DMs of wedding rings all the time, and it was always round ones. Like, I knew I wanted a round one. I just kept going between, like, if I wanted a halo, if I don't want a halo. But he said there was one ring I sent him that he saw and he was like, oh my god, like, this is amazing. I have to do a ring like this. Okay, now I am going to go back in with the Smashbox primer water, and I'm going to set my face. This works as a priming spray and a setting spray. Before I do highlighter, I like to use this because it makes the highlighter really shimmery. Going in now with the KKW Beauty Light Highlighter Palette. My dog is literally being a psycho. I mean, Jig, do you like that? Does it look good? Yeah, it does. All right, I think this is gonna be the last question. I'm sorry, you guys. There's like, I can't even get to them all. I feel so bad. This next question is from Emily Burrell. Do you have any advice for someone who's moving away from home for college? I think that's a really great question. I do have some advice for you. It's going to be really hard at first, and you're gonna miss home. You're gonna miss your mom and your dad and your sister and your brother and your dogs and your cat and everybody. But it gets easier with time. You have to stick it out, and you need to associate yourself within the school somehow. Join a sorority, join a club, join the dance program, join something so that you feel like you have a group at your school. Also find a church nearby your school. I think that helps too, because that always kind of brings back a piece of home for me. So I found a church really quickly when I went away to school. That's if you're religious. If you're not, totally fine. You don't need a church, but that just helped me. But yeah, mainly just get involved in your school. I think that definitely helps. All right, I'm gonna do my lips now. I'm just going in with some liner. And now I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty lip gloss on top. Let my hair down. I am ready for nothing. No, just kidding. I'm ready for my day. Thanks for getting ready with me. I really love to hang with you guys. I feel like when I'm talking into the camera, I'm literally hanging out with people. If you like this video, obviously give it a thumbs up, especially like this. Subscribe to me, please subscribe to me. Like, it would just make me so happy. And what else? Oh, comment. Comment, whatever you want to comment. Just comment. Say something to me. Let me know what your favorite product was, how annoying my dog was during this video, anything. I just want to hear from you guys. Thanks for watching. This is probably a really long video. What can I say? I wanted to get ready with you. Bye. I love you guys, and thank you for watching.